us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
Shalom, Mr. G, better known as the Scotland of the East. I'm Jay Carter, you got me right. I borrow from the West with some Jabro flow. Yeah, that's my address, you can find me here, rapping at my best, climbing to reach and make it to the top. I'm a Kasi, and my rhymes are damn hot like a fire blazing on the spot. And I got these people interfering with my life, saying producing hip-hop music, I rhyme. Yeah, you ain't gonna survive, they keep on pulling my back, step back, A-plus is my fight. I'm rapping cause I love it, rapping for the time. Everybody talk, this game is a crime, it's a fight for my pride, a fight for honor, and a fight for my tribe. Yeah, shalom.
When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
MC Ree, I'm all that, I'm representing all them Kasis, man. My pride is of the essence, Rock City and Shillong. I'm the Fresh Prince, I ain't trying to land it big, but I'm just trying to make a living. But it's hard as hell, you wanna know why? Cause I wanna break free. It's still on the top 11, but I'm still here. Ain't gonna move an inch, utilizing my talent, cause this is God-given. Wanna talk about skills, I can do that for sure. English ain't my mother tongue, but I'm still rapping like a pro. And there's one more thing about me you should know. I'm a Kasi by birth, I'ma be a Kasi forevermore. Call me a beat fighter, I'm a man of my land. I'll give up every ounce of my blood for the sake of my clan. All that's needed for me to write my rhymes is inside of my evergreen and loving homeland.
When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
I'm a K-H-A-S-I, you know what it means, straight rapping for my tribe. Lost in the scene and I'm not passing by. I told you once and I'm not gonna tell you twice. Yeah, this is how it goes, better keep up with the flow. Young lost up in this, better know I'm from Shillong. 793-001, here's my area code. Welcome to my hood, Malcolm Mavis gone road. I've been in the game for almost 10 years, patiently waiting for my time to reappear. Now I'm back on the booth, spitting nothing but the truth. The way I put it down, you can tell that I'm good, yeah. I'm doing this for the sake of the clan, for the sake of my city, for the sake of the fans. K-Bloods, put it down to the fullest, for the city we love, for the state we live in, and make a liar.
You see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
You can call me Sly Davy, yeah, that's my name. I represent Shillong City, rapping is my game. I'm proud to be a Kasi god, that's somewhere I came to give it all my best, yeah, that's my aim. I'm not rapping for any kind of, but to make it to the top and make a best hit. Gonna give it all I got with all my wits. I'ma keep my head up, I make myself fit. Struggling a long time to get this far. We ain't gonna give cause that's who we are. Try really hard, stand up as one big star. Send for those in need, near and far. I ain't gonna stand back on this one. Rap for all the Kasi and rap for the hood. For a tribe we in and never gonna run, cause that's who we are. Where Kasi's we're #1.
When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, cause these homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
Laid out from the streets of Nong Mali, label me as a weed man. This is Debunk, I'm a K-Blood, I'm just a young Kasi on a mission to be what I am destined to be. Hip-hop in Shillong City, do you see the vision in me? No dollars blessed with game, consider me an MC. That's all that I am, and it's all that you're gonna see. I'm a lyrical gangster, a true Kasi warrior. I'm breaking every barrier. This is my goal, now watch I flow my down. Recognize I am the show, I don't want you to know. I'm rapping this beat for Shillong City and none but love for all the Kasi. Yo, always grinding 7-7, making music for my city. Just one song out, but we already banging. The K-Blood's taking over all the hustle and the slanging. Yo, the road is hard, but I ain't sweating. I'm loyal to the game, and I ain't leaving.
When you see us riding nowhere, Kasi's homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods. When you see us riding nowhere, Kasi's homies recognize us. Got our name from a tribe, that's why we call ourselves the Kasi Bloods.
PYN to the B, yeah that's me, Pin B, doing my tag with my 5 homies. I'm a flipper, I'm a player, that's what I am. I'm a Kasi, I'm a wall and I'm a champ. Rapping this song smooth and slow, tick tock with the beat and the flow. Coming straight right up from the west side, popping and showing the talent from inside. People listening to they always criticize, don't give a damn. I keep on rolling the dice and it's easy as you think and see. It takes hard work, strength and loyalty, working hard, reaching for the name and fame. For each of our goals are all the same. Stand right up, I'm proud to be a Kasi. I ain't never letting go, for this is where I'm meant to be.
Wait! Don't forget to subscribe.
Eagle Double G.